Hello, friends and followers. So, for the last couple of days, I've taken a break from ham radio for a while, and I've been trying to sort pictures on my computer, which have been around for years. So, I thought it would be interesting to write a program that sorted all the pictures into folders that had the month and year of the pictures. And you get the month of the pictures from the file name of the picture on the computer. But a better way to do it than my friend Sam suggested, who was my old boss at Sun Microsystems, by the way, he suggested that I break open the picture and take out the EXIF data. So some pictures have something called EXIF data, which will contain when the picture was photographed, and in some cases it will contain the longitude and latitude. So that's what I've been doing here, and it's working finally. So we can take a look at how it goes. And if I find the latitude and longitude, I then call an online service, which is this thing here. And this is OpenStreetMap. I'm not even sure what this thing really is, but it works, so I'm using it. But you can call this OpenStreetMap here from Python and put in the latitude here and longitude from your picture, and then it will return all this stuff here. So it'll return the city and state and all that. This is an Indian address, but I've been using it for USA addresses. So now the program's running, and it will go through pictures that don't have any kind of date and timestamp and use the file stamp on the operating system, which in my case is macOS. When it does encounter a valid uh, EXIF date, it will then do a geolocation using that URL. And then you'll see this thing happened at that time, Inglewood, North Washington. So it's pretty handy. Now I figured, what good is this if we don't rename the files to match that? So that's what I do. And let me show you how that works. Looking for the finder. There's the finder. Okay, so it's putting all these pictures now into these sorted pictures bin. So each of these folders becomes numbered. I wonder if I can expand this. I can. So yeah, each of these becomes a numbered folder. And if the picture had location data, it will then change the file name to have that date. There's a date right there, and the time the picture was taken, and then the location, Sorrento Valley Road, San Diego, California. In some cases, I'll put down the business. If you can find the business, like here's a mobile station. So 2013, 6/4 at 3 p.m. I guess I went to a mobile station, and that will give the address of that. So it renames the file to match that. So in my directory here, I'm actually looking at these names of the pictures now, which have location. And I guess that's better than seeing things like IMG1, IMG2. So I used to live in San Diego, and these are all from 2013. So that's kind of fun. So you can see all the places I went to in San Diego. And then if something doesn't really have any data, I just leave the name the same. And so some of these then are just the same names as I had. But what is good is they are sorted. And so if you go back here, you'll see they're all in a sorted directory. So that's what I've been up to. It's kind of cool. Any rate, yeah, this will take a while to run. It's a pretty slow process. So I'm going to convert all these pictures now to have meaningful dates and times. Here's something else it found here. I used to live in Washington State also. So there's some stuff it found on these pictures. So it's renaming them to match the location of where the pictures were taken. So That's what I've been up to. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.